Okay, so we are going to create another button called view. To view
so that it will display the data or what?
so that you enter the username and then you display the record. In actual fact, we don't have ID. Like you could have entered the ID of the user and then it displays the username and password. But right now we are going to use the same username for the primary key. So let me add another column to this so that will be the ID. So beginning, so I'm going to add user ID. Okay, I can use the in. So this one will be one is like this one. Okay. Let's look at the update. I want to update the ID. So let's go to the want to update the ID. So let's go to the code. Then we create so I'm going to create let's say textful user ID here. And then we have to create on top here. So this is going to be user ID is equal to new J textful. So we type user ID. So then we are going to say user ID dot set bound. So we have to put 10 to 10 comma 10 and then width 100 height. Let's make it 50 or let's make it 40. So we have content. Okay, let's say content in dot add to ID. Set bound. So we have added the user ID control. Now, what we are going to do is that if I click on update button, so we have to add btn update user. So btn update user is equal to new j button update user. So then say btn update set bound. So here I'm going to put 10, want it to go beside this delete. So instead of 120, going to be 120 plus the weight, which is 220 plus the interval 230. Okay. And then the height, the weight of the button, let's make it 100, the height 50. So let's add action listener to this, add action listener. So this. And then content pane dot add button. So So now we can run it. We can add the action performed here. So we can add it here. Else, if event dot get action dot equals update, then update, then we are going to perform the same thing here. Try, so string okay, so this one going to be string SQL update is equal to, now goes to update the record, try catch,
Try data.
set user ID is equal to
Equals
where
I
user
ID.
where username, you see, you have to use where
Okay,
username is equal to this. So the first one that you have to use is going to be, you see, so it's going to be the, now let's get our prepare statement, stmt, this is going to be, let me use update, and then prepared connection dot prepared statement to SQLU, and then say stm update dot set id, set int. You know, this is integer. When you look at this, you see, this is integer. So we will have to use the same thing here, set int. Here we made it set string because it's a text. So we'll do the same thing here. The first one that we have to use, that the variable or data is the user ID. Is the user ID. So we're going to get the user ID that we created, user ID dot get text. And then the next one, set string. So that is the parameter 2. That string is going to be username dot get text. I think okay. So there is going to be a problem here. Set int. Okay. This is there's a problem here. User ID dot get text. No. Okay, you let me run it, then I'll get the solution for this. You have to, so try catch exception ex update. So Okay. Let's run it. Okay, so we still have problem with this. It's hidden here. We don't have space. So what we have to do is that the text for the user ID, we have to change the location. So okay, so let's check this. This is 10 plus 300 is 310. So let's push it. So it's going to be 320. 320. 320. 320. So we have, okay, 10, 320. Let me go back. 320 and then 10. Okay. So that we have the user ID going beside this username. So let me run it. So this is what I was looking for. So what we have to do is we check this is Ben. And then we come here, we put Ben here. We put Ben here, and then we put the ID 1. Okay, I think we don't have the update button. But we did it. Oh, let me see. The update button. Yeah, it is. That bank. Oh, okay. Just the same as the delete. I didn't check it well. So it's going to be this. The height, this one, I put 30 for the update. Okay, so it's going to be plus. Let's make it, yeah, I wanted it to be beside. Okay, so let me use 120 plus the width. So 220. Let me put 220 here, 230 for here. So that to be beside this delete. So we have the update here. So why did so let's say ID for Ben is 1. Let's click. There's error here. I think the code for update the text you put on it. Yeah, it's update. So let's okay, so I think the problem is from here. You see, so parameter index The first parameter is 1, the second is 2. Okay, let's check insert parameter index int x, choose exception. So this one should be an integer. So do you know when you enter a text, you have to convert the text to a number. So
Okay.
we are going to do this one. I'm going to put something here. Pass int
Pass int.
integer dot pass int. You know, if you don't use this one, it will not actually give you CD, so that we convert the text. You see that now the problem is solved. So you can see you have to convert using this function. So let me run it. So now let's go. Let me share my screen again. So I think I lost you.
Yeah.
So just let me check if that is there. But okay, it's not updated yet. So I entered 1, and then I click on this one, nothing showed. So let me check the code again. And oh, I don't think we are done. We are not done. Okay, we are not done. So we have to now say int row 3 is equal to as we cmd u dot execute update. Okay, so say if row 3 is greater than 0, then we need this one here. So say record successfully updated. Else, then say, let's put this one here. Record failed to update. So I think that's the last part of the code for it to be updated. So let me go to the code, run it and see. Okay, so I have Ben. So let's say Ben. Ben, this is 1 update. So record successfully updated. So let's check our database, see. So you can see it's here. So if I want to do this one to copy this. So we have this one should be 2. Record updated. Let's check. It's 2. So we can update the rest. Let me update this one too. So the name, this one, the 3. Record successful updated. So this is the 3. The last one is here. So that you can recode it to use the ID to rather update. So update. Record fail to update because I didn't change it. You understand? So update. Record fail to update. Okay, let me check what I have in the database. Okay, so why is it giving this? I have, let me use 6. Record fail to update. You know, sometimes when you finish every transaction, you have to close it. So for it to refresh, so let me restart. So I was okay. I think let me check. I was using this for okay. Sometimes you have to check it. So I have, and I want to use 4. Record successfully updated. So right now we can implement the key. So let me go and implement primary key so that we don't duplicate the record. Okay, so right now you can use rather the user ID to update instead of the user name.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Please, I don't know. I have to go somewhere right now.
Oh, okay, no problem.
I don't know whether we can end today's session and then.
I hear.
Sorry, you say.
Oh, no problem. No problem at all.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
too. Okay.